Hello everyone. I'm going to make some chicken strips today. I took some chicken breasts and I sliced them myself. I like my strips thin, about this size here. I already have my seasoned flour. The recipe for the flour is in my fried chicken recipe. So these have been marinating in garlic powder and hot sauce. We're going into the seasoned flour. This bowl is straight water. I'm going to dip it in the water, back to the flour. This gives you an extra crunchy batter, and you'll see why I double batter it when they come out. Never overcrowd your deep fat fryer. I'm going to put about 3 in there at a time. This is a quick, easy something. Kids love this. Chicken strips don't take that long to fry. And you can pair this with anything. French fries. Today we've got black-eyed peas and macaroni and cheese and some candied yams. But this can be paired with just about anything. French fries, salad, mashed potatoes, anything you want. Baked potatoes. Just a quick and easy meal. First batch is up. Beautiful golden brown. Like what you see? Come follow me at Cooking with Miss D, and you can thank me later.